The Gospel. Nietzsche thus spoke Zarathustra. Montaigne, Essays. Bardo Thodol, The Tibetan Book of the Dead. Philip K. Dick, Substance Death. Victor Hugo, Les Châtiments. Goethe, Faust. Edgar Allan Poe, Selected Tales. André Breton, Arcane 17. These books will never burn, by my hand at least. I don't own a copy of the Quran, but I will buy one with joy, in order to show myself holding it proudly on the September 11th of this year, when these sick, twisted individuals will burn the Quran. The Quran I will own will never be burnt. If you disagree with the book, you write another book criticizing it. You don't burn it. If you burn it, they consider themselves to be good Christians American. I don't know. It's in my opinion, it's a Bolshevik mentality to burn books. You know. So my copy of the Quran won't be burned by my hand on September 11th or any other day for that matter. I would like to thank this church of sick, twisted, disgusting fanatics, because thanks to them, I will buy a copy of the Quran and I will read it again. I already read it once, but I will read it with a more deep insight. And I will own a copy of the Quran thanks to them. So I want to thank them for making me buy a copy of the Quran. I encourage anybody to mirror this video or to make a video of your own and buy a copy of the Quran if you don't own one, to show yourself that these guys have make you buy a copy of the Quran and that you won't burn it. Burning books only make you look totally retarded and uncivilized. Don't burn any books.